I'm Chase Beach, feel feeling every day. All I wanna hear is in the visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think of it your way. Really, really wanna.
Hi guys, what's up? So today I'm here with YGWigs again. It's been a minute, but I'm here with them again. So this is, you know, the usual packaging that I get everything in. So I have a box here, but they also put some stuff in the bag. Oh wow, they sent me a full-on little goodie package. This is so nice. So I got a pair of lashes. I got 2 of these clips, edge brush and comb, elastic band. I got wig cap. They even gave me hoops. And oh, they gave me a full-on like magazine, YGWigs Inspire Your Beauty. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Oh, and that's everything that came in the goodie bag. All right, so for the wig, you know, they wrap it up nicely. All right, so this is a 5x5 lace closure wig. It's an 18-inch body wave wig. Oh my gosh, the color job is so pretty on this. It's so pretty. You guys know I really like these highlight wigs, right? And if I have to definitely wear a closure wig, I wear 4x4 and I get me wrong, but I definitely just stick with a 5x5 because I love the coverage of that. So that's what we're working with today, a 5x5 lace closure, and it has 4 combs in total on the inside of the cap, adjustable straps in the back, and they tagged it, you know, with their card, you know, listing their social media and all. So yeah, it's a nice body wave vibe going. It's really, really pretty. So I like that. It's really pretty. So actually, I feel like for the first time I'm gonna actually glue this today. I'm not gonna use just got to be, because I feel like I want to wear this for a while. And I've never actually worn a lace closure wig for a prolonged period, so I feel like I want to do that with this. It's really pretty, man, and I love the feel of it. It's very silky and nice. I like that.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me. Now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain. I will surrender. Let me go on a new adventure.
You know that when applying glue, which I'm sure you guys saw, I cleanse the area. Even though I'm wearing makeup, you want to always ensure that you don't apply glue on a surface that is not clean. It needs to be clean. So clean it with alcohol, and then I apply my glue. So far I applied 2 layers. I'm actually going to go up to 3. Should I do 4? No, I'm not gonna be wearing it for that long, but I'm gonna do like 3 layers, and yeah, that's what I want to do. So I've done 2 so far, and I let it dry down clear. So I'm just gonna go in with my final layer now, and then I'll bring everything together.
Find another space, explore the world and find my place. Hope you find your time, threw my heart away. We won't see another day. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure.
I just did my 2 swoops at the side.
It's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure. On the new adventure. You'll find me dancing on my own. Nowhere to be, nowhere to go. In the rhythm, I don't think of you. Don't call me up when you're feeling blue. You'll find me dancing on my own. Nowhere to be, nowhere to go. In the rhythm, I don't think of you. Let me go. It's a new adventure. On the new adventure.
This is exactly how I wanted it. I wanted more, you know, volume with the curls. So as you can see, I didn't completely comb through the curls either, because that's just a way to make them last a little longer, and I like how it look, honestly. So yeah, it's my first time actually using glue with a closure. I feel like this will make life way easier, because I feel like usually you have the lace front, you have to worry about the sides lifting. Usually for me, the sides lift quicker than anywhere else, so I don't have that to worry about. So yeah, but the quality of this feels really good. The hair feels silky, the density feels good, shedding very minimal shedding, so do note that. As usual, I'm going to leave all the specifications of this wig in my description box, so if you guys are interested in getting it for yourself, you can go ahead and do so. The direct link as well will be there. Shout out to YGWigs for this gorgeous wig. Again, this install is beautiful. Yes, so yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
It's a new adventure. On the new adventure.